This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alejandra Cossio. Superb location. Corner unit, spacious 2-1, tiled floors, secured building, gated complex. Section 8 OK. Convenient buses, SEDANOS, PUBLIX, restaurants very close by. Pool area and ample gardens, laundry facilities, parking. HOPA building, 55+ year. Old community, all residents must be over 55 years, no exceptions. Don't miss this opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Alejandra Cossio at 305-774-5889.